But don't worry, these aren't just any steps. They're heavy duty, automatically extending, and an absolute breeze.
That's good. All right, around the back now, and this is truly a game changer for motorhomes.
The garage, right? How big is it really?
Big enough, mate. It's a proper setup for your daily driver.
Voila, your very own mobile car park.
Unreal. So you can take a small sedan or
Pretty much anything that fits. Beyond the garage, you've got all your essential hookups and external storage neatly tucked away. Everything's so clean, you barely notice the access points.
And up top, you've got a seriously impressive array of solar panels, generating all the power you need.
Off-grid, but underneath, it's all Mercedes Actros, built for serious journeys. Those tyres look like they could handle anything, and that suspension, plus up front, the cockpit area is pure luxury truck. Massive visibility, and all the latest driver assist tech integrated seamlessly. So there you have it, the full exterior walk around of the Denville motorhome. It's even more impressive in person, Ines. And that's number two, the way they steer is phenomenal when you're trying to get this behemoth into a tight spot. Now, over on this side, Mikey, we've got the second slide out, which is even bigger than the first. And speaking of clever design, check out this utility bay, packed with all your essential hookups. You've got your fresh water fill, grey water dump, and even a hot and cold external shower for cleaning off after an adventure. And for those sunny days, we've got an electrically operated awning tucked away right up here. One push of a button, and you've got instant shade and a perfect outdoor living space, mate. So that's just a taste of the exterior features. But trust me, the inside is even more mind-blowing. And just like that, the smart car is securely tucked away.
That's incredible how it just disappears.
It's a testament to the engineering. All right, Mikey, if you thought the outside was impressive, wait until you see the inside. Whoa, this is bigger than my apartment. This isn't just a lounge, it's a versatile living space. Watch this. Whoa. No way, a full dining area. And here we have a fully equipped kitchen, cleverly integrated.
Is that an induction cooktop?
Nice. Everything in here is managed by this central command system. Climate, lighting, entertainment, even the garage door.
This is like a smart home on wheels.
And up here is where the magic happens on the road. This cockpit is next level, super comfortable. From the retractable awning to the smart car garage, this RV truly redefines luxury travel. It's not just an RV, it's a mobile mansion. It's an engineering marvel designed for absolute freedom.
I might just have to live in one of these someday.
You and me both, Mikey. All right, Mikey, exterior done. Let's head inside and check out the cockpit.
Yes, mate. I'm keen to see the interior.
Welcome to the command center, Mikey. This isn't just a motorhome, it's a mobile cockpit.
Wow, this is something else. So much tech. Tree Horror Assurance. Every control is right at your fingertips, designed for maximum comfort. I can definitely use long drives. And just behind the cockpit, we step into the heart of the motorhome, your living and kitchen area. Wow, it's even bigger than I imagined from the outside.
They've packed this kitchen with every high-end appliance you could want, all seamlessly integrated. I love how everything just disappears. It's so clean.
And for those relaxing evenings, you've got this incredible lounge area, complete with hidden entertainment. A pop-up TV. That's just brilliant. Now for your private quarters. Prepare to be amazed. Ooh, a bedroom? Or maybe a spa. I can't wait. And here we have the master suite, a true oasis on wheels. This is incredible. I could definitely live in this motorhome full time.
And here you've got your hidden, fully automatic coffee machine. Oh, wow. That is next level, mate. Come check out the main entertainment lounge here.
And is that a hidden TV? Incredible. Next up, we've got the luxury bathroom. Wow, a full-on spa in here. This is unreal.
And here's the master bedroom, complete with a fully adjustable king bed. Oh, this looks incredibly comfortable, mate.
The real magic happens with the privacy glass.
Ooh, whoa, that's wild. Instant privacy, and then a view for the ultimate cinema experience. You're telling me there's a projector in here too? This is beyond expectation.
This motorhome truly redefines luxury on wheels.
Absolutely, mate. It's not just a motorhome, it's a mobile palace.
Couldn't have said it better myself. You've actually got your modern sink there with a pop-up faucet. Nice and sleek, eh? Let's just put this cover back on. And you can actually have a bunk screen automatic or your blackouts.
And that's every opening window on the whole unit, right?
Exactly right, mate. Everything's actually motorized.
Yeah.
Now let's just check out some more cabinets. Down below the sink, we've actually got
Additional cabinetry here.
Now, the very last part of this kitchen is actually right here. This panel door opens up the fridge, and down below, back in the entry now, this is your main door. And right next to that, we've got another door opening up to a small closet space where you've got your control for your AC, your generator. And this screen actually controls the whole motorhome. You can use it for your slide outs, awning system, doors, exteriors. You can actually control anything from here. Now, following this hallway, we've got a coat closet here. And the first door on my right-hand side goes straight into your bathroom.
An LED lit mirror with chrome details here. This toilet, Mikey, is also heated. And it's motorized, isn't it? Unreal.
Heated towel racks with this Corian stone back wall.
The towel's actually got the Denbel brand. It just has to, right?
Mood lighting here. And of course, right behind me, we've got the vent on right now. It's your walk-in shower with a massive rain head above. Even your shower head is a really good size. And it's actually not small in there either, is it? Go inside, mate. Check it out. You've actually got chrome fixtures here.
It's a really good size.
And on the back, you've actually got a shampoo niche here with LED lighting.
Yeah, they've really thought of everything, haven't they?
And the last part, Mikey, is that,
And down below, you've actually got a washer and dryer. And that's definitely something that you've just got to have, right? Go fine.
now at the end of this hallway, we've got to show this particular detail. A Rimodesio mirrored pocket. Mikey, come on in, mate. Now this particular space is just as cozy as the rest of the motorhome. I'm really loving the mood lighting that they've actually got around the bed setup. As you've actually got two massive windows on each side, letting in a heap of natural light, and they're actually heated. And of course, you've got your plug.
I reckon we should actually take it out on the road and see how it actually drives.
Let's do it, mate.
We actually just took this motorhome for a spin, and it actually drove so smoothly. It's incredibly quiet, and there's just something about being... Right, everyone, that's actually it for the tour. Oh. What an unreal rig, eh? We actually saw all of the design elements, finishes, and also the amenities that this motorhome offers. And actually seeing how smooth this thing actually drove, that was really impressive. It was just really quiet inside. I'm a big fan, I must say. As always, you can actually find more info about the vehicle and Denbel down in the description of this particular video. Make sure to actually check it out.
And if you actually enjoyed the tour, give us a like, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next week, right?